Hello everyone. Our first chapter, that is crop production and management, has been finished, and now we'll start our next chapter, that is the microorganisms, friend or foe. Uh, we cannot see all the organisms with our eye, as we all know. The living organisms around us which we normally cannot see, these are called microorganisms or microbes. For example, during the rainy season, moist bread gets spoiled and its surface get covered with grayish white patches. When we observe these patches through a magnifying glass, you will see tiny black rounded structures. These are the microbes. That white layer formed on the surface of the bread, or grayish layer formed on the surface of the bread, that is the due to the microbes. These microorganisms or microbes are so small in size that they cannot be seen with the unaided eye or with the naked eyes. They can be seen with the help of microscope. Microscope is used to see the small organisms. There are these kind of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae and virus. First we'll discuss about the bacteria. So let's start. Bacteria is a single celled. That means they are unicellular. We humans, we are multicellular organisms because different kinds of cells are present in our body, and in bacteria only one cell is present. So we can say bacteria is a unicellular organisms. May be found in colonies. Here the colonies means it found in the groups. Bacteria can exist in different shaped. Different shaped means it can be spherical, rod or spiral shaped. You can see in the diagram, bacteria are present. This is the spiral shape of bacteria and this is the rod shaped of bacteria, and we all know how the spherical shape of bacteria, that is like this, that is in the form of sphere. Here example of bacteria is Rhodobacter and Rhizobium. Rhizobium is used to fix the nitrogen in the soil.